Namaste everyone. The question is, in a class, among the boys B is taller than 10 boys but shorter than 13 others. Among girls, G is taller than 6 girls but shorter than 8 others. 2 boys and 3 girls are shorter than B but taller than G. Assuming no two persons have the same height, Z is. Okay, so first we will write out the conditions given to us. So, start from the first line. Among the boys, B is taller than 10 boys but shorter than 13. Correct. Among the girls, G is taller than 6 girls but shorter than 8. Right. Now, 2 boys and 3 girls are shorter than B. Okay, so 2 boys and 3 girls are shorter than B but taller than G. Okay, so these three cases are given basically. Now, so first we will find out the total number of pupil shorter than G, shorter than G. So, as already given that 6 girls are shorter than G. So yeah, first we will write them. 6 girls plus boys. In boys, like total boys who are shorter than B are 10, right? And here you can see that B is taller than G, right? From this relation we can see. So these boys, like 10 boys, they must be shorter than G, correct? But one more condition is there that 2 boys out of 10 are taller than G. So we can see that 10 boys minus 2 boys which are in between B and G. So from here we'll find out 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 people who are shorter than G. Okay, now let's find out the taller one. Taller than G. So for that we can see these 8, they are taller than G, correct? So 8 girls plus these 13 boys, definitely they will be taller than G. 13 boys. These remaining 2 boys, we need to add them, and 1 will be this B, right? So 13, here it's total number of boys, right? 13 plus 2 plus 1. So from here 8 plus this will be total 16. That means 24 people. So we can say 24 are taller than B and 14 are shorter than G. Sorry, we are talking about G. So yeah, 24 people are taller than G and 14 are shorter than G. Now let's see the options. So one is taller than, like G is taller than 19 but shorter than 19 others. Incorrect, right? Taller than 17 but shorter than 22 others. Incorrect. Taller than 16 but shorter than 23 others. Incorrect. G is taller than 14. Correct. Like these 14 people, they are shorter than G. Means G will be taller than these 14 people and shorter than 24. So option 4 will be the correct option. I hope you understood it. If you like the video, please hit a thumbs up, press the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.